The Boy Who Cried Wolf. In a quiet village named Aesop, nestled between rolling hills and singing streams, there lived a young shepherd boy named Sam. He was known for his playful spirit and love for stories. Sam had an important job: to watch over the village's sheep and make sure they were safe from the sly wolves that roamed the nearby forests. One sunny afternoon, while the sheep grazed peacefully, Sam grew bored. He wanted to add some excitement to his day and thought of a mischievous plan. Climbing atop a large rock, he took a deep breath and shouted, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is chasing the sheep!" The villagers heard his cries, and fearing for their precious sheep, dropped everything to rush up the hill with sticks and stones. But when they arrived, they found no wolf. Instead, Sam was doubled over with laughter at his prank. The villagers were relieved, but also annoyed. "Do not cry wolf, boy, when there is no wolf," they scolded, before trudging back down the hill. A few days later, Sam was bored again. He called out louder, "Wolf! Wolf! Please help! The wolf is here!" Once more, the villagers ran to his rescue, only to find Sam laughing and the sheep grazing undisturbed. This time, the villagers were very angry. "Boy," they said sternly, "if you keep lying, someday a wolf will truly come, and no one will believe you." Sam shrugged off their warnings with a mischievous grin. But as fate would have it, late one evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, a real wolf slinked out of the forest, eyeing the sheep. In a panic, Sam saw the danger and began to shout with all his might, "Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is here for real this time! Please help!" But the villagers, remembering the false alarms, said to each other, "It's just Sam playing his tricks again," and nobody came to help. Under the moonlit sky, the wolf had a feast, and Sam could do nothing but watch in horror. By the time the villagers came to check in the morning, it was too late. Many of the sheep were gone. Filled with regret, Sam faced the villagers with tears in his eyes. "I'm sorry for lying to you all. I didn't think about the danger I put everyone in because of my foolishness." The villagers were disappointed, but saw the remorse in Sam's eyes. They decided to forgive him, but the lesson was clear. Trust is a treasure once lost is hard to regain, and a lie, no matter how small, can lead to a great loss. From that day on, Sam became the most trustworthy shepherd. He never forgot the night he learned the valuable lesson: never play with the truth, for honesty is the shepherd's best virtue. And so ends the tale of the boy who learned wisdom under the stars of Aesop village. If you ever pass by and hear the sheep's peaceful bells, remember the story of Sam and the wolf. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.